Choosing an oral surgeon for full-arch dental implant procedures ensures specialized expertise, advanced training, and a comprehensive approach to patient care. Oral surgeons have extensive experience with complex surgical procedures, ensuring safer outcomes and more predictable results. Oral surgeons are trained to consider each patient's unique health history, including any underlying medical conditions or medications that might impact the procedure. By choosing a practice that works with a dedicated team of specialists, this collaborative approach brings together experts in anesthesia, oral and maxillofacial surgery, prosthodontics, and restorative dentistry, ensuring that every aspect of your full-arch dental implant procedure is handled with the highest level of expertise and precision. That way, patients feel assured by the full support network behind their treatment. Full-arch dental implants are a profound gift, restoring not just the beauty of a smile, but also the dignity and joy of everyday life. It's a transformation that goes beyond the physical, touching hearts and renewing confidence in the most meaningful way. It is an investment in your health, an investment in your smile, and most importantly, this is an investment in you. If you are interested in being treated for your full-arch dental implant procedure by an oral and maxillofacial surgeon, please give us a call and come in for a consultation at Premier Oral Facial and Implant Surgery.